Hello dear student, today I will be discuss who got the Nobel Prize in Medicine or Physiology in 2024. Sometimes this question may ask in theory or in viva voce, as well as those students who are doing MD in pharmacology or physiology may ask this question. So this year the prize is divided into two scientists. Number one is Victor Ambros. He was born on 1st of December 1953 in Hanover, New Hampshire, USA. And at the time of award, he is affiliated with UMass Chan Medical School, Worcester, Massachusetts, USA. And prize is given for the discovery of microRNA and its role in post-transcriptional gene regulation. Prize share is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is share given to Gary Rukun. He was born in 1952 in Berkeley, California, USA. And at the time of award, he is affiliated with Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, USA, and Harvard Medical School, Boston, Massachusetts, USA. So, prize motivation is same for the discovery of microRNA and its role in post-transcriptional gene regulation. So, what are their work? Their work is, as you all know, our genome can be linked to an instruction manual for all cells in our body. Every cell contains the same set of instruction. Yet, yet you all know that different cells type have very distinct characteristics. So these differences arise from gene regulation, which allows each cell to select only the relevant instruction, not all the instruction. So in 1993, Gary Rukvin and Victor Ambros discovered microRNA, a new class of tiny RNA molecule apart from other RNA, as you all know, that play a crucial role in gene regulation. This new dimension to gene regulation is fundamentally important for how organisms develop and function, because the cells got only the relevant instructions, not all. So thank you all. I hope you know these scientists, and if you like my video, subscribe to my channel for clinical pharmacology and drug update. Thank you all.